everyone! So, I'm sorry for the delay, of course, I just can't really keep up. I have like 26 more assignments to do, but I did something more, okay? While doing that, I was trying to do that, also go to work, and it's very hard to keep up. And by the way, the person that redeemed the gift card that I gave. Thanks y'all, here's gift card to the first person that I don't know, gonna see this video, I guess. At the beginning of the video that I post with recap of my YouTube channel, it's just a legend, okay? So there was $10 gift card to literally anyone that will watch the video as a first person, and someone redeemed $1 on PayPal. So there was recap video of my YouTube channel. I think my channel got 10,000 views. 10,000. How? YouTube channel, what I was doing about my views and what people are watching, and I said that I'm trying to open bar inside of my brother's dance studio. And here's the page that I made, what I need to buy, and also on my iPad I have what are my plans. So let's go through this. So what I want to buy, here gonna be the list, right, from 1 to 7 I guess. I really love kombucha, so I want to sell firstly kombucha. My grandpa was doing that when I was, let's say, like 10 years old or something like this. I remember the mushroom growing in like big container. That was just incredible to see. And maybe I will do myself, but for sure not now. I'm not really sure if I can keep up with, let's say, making everything. If I can keep up, maybe there are gonna be more things than 7. I really don't know how much I can do myself. We'll see when everything starts. It's really not easy to live on promises when I'm really not sure about those promises, if I can really do all of them. So anyways, first gonna be kombucha, and I will explain later how it will all work. Later, I mean in another video, because I want to split this video in like few parts. This is gonna be, I guess, the best and really short. Maybe not really short, but it's gonna be short. Okay, let's go to another second. Oranges. I'm still not sure with the cups, if they're gonna be plastic, transparent, or different type, maybe glass or plastic bottle with the cup on top. I'm really not sure, but maybe this is gonna be just plastic cup with ice, and of course I will explain later how I will do it in different video, okay? Third, gonna be cold pressed juice. I guess if I can do it, but I hope I will do it. So also I'll explain in other video how I want to manage to actually do cold pressed juice. There's gonna be probably just one. I was thinking about 2, but 2 is too much probably with all my ambitions, because there's gonna be like 1, and then small one is gonna be with, let's say, ginger, apple and lemons or lime or whatever, like small shots. That's gonna be great, I think. 4 gonna be smoothies, right, because I want everything to be healthy, nice, maybe with some proteins. So that's, I believe, really great addition to everything I want to sell there. And I just want to say, smoothie was like the first thing that I thought about, and other people were telling me that it's actually a great idea to have. Smoothie can really lower your hunger, so let's say if it's morning or you just don't know what to eat, you can just buy smoothie and don't feel that much hunger inside of your belly. You can just still, let's say, dance or whatever you want to do, talk with people and still earn money, then it's your choice. You're still like not really hungry. And this is not the only thing that I want to sell there that will lower the hunger. Maybe not yours, but those people that will buy it. 5 and 6 will be tea and coffee. Tea, it's obvious, but not really, maybe because I want to sell like really good Japanese or Chinese tea that people will actually enjoy, because they actually care about good tea. And last thing will be granola bowl. It's right here, probably somewhere right here. Really great, I feel like, because everyone will buy it, especially there. Because let's say smoothie is really good, but it's still not food. And with granola bowl you have plain yogurt, you have honey, you have granola, of course, and you have, let's say, some fruits on top. This is just incredible food, and I feel like it's also very healthy, especially if you're gonna buy everything organic. People will love it, especially that those people are kind of rich, like too rich, I feel like damn rich. Maybe also I will do 8 fresh fruits, Maybe that's a good idea. Okay, sorry for the sounds right there because it's very loud. I need to sound you this room so it will be quieter and people will also not hear me. But let's say you have this business card, right? I want to take a picture of it, but I decided that it's much easier to just make this back of the card, the date, people are making schedule, how they want to dance, how many lessons and stuff like this. So I decided that, boom, there's the cup, there's gonna be also the price, there's this business card. Here's also a photo of cold pressed juices that I made, and there's vanilla berry, emerald shrine, and also the one that will be with ginger, the small one. Also, I made corner of the studio very quick in Blender so you can see how it's gonna look like. Here, let's say, is the fridge, right? Here, okay, it doesn't matter. You can see the desk and stuff like this. There's sink somewhere here, and here gonna be the poster with those two photos. Let's say one with coffee here. Here gonna be another one with the smoothies. I mean cold pressed juices, and here gonna be also two pictures with them holding those drinks. This is probably gonna look very nice, but we'll see the final form in the studio. So subscribe to the channel, like the video, maybe leave a comment, maybe there's something that I can also do so you can tell me. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.